am on the boat dock at 109 Hillview Drive. You see the great swim ladder that can be lifted or lowered, but check out the view of this large cove, which is wonderful. You can paddleboard, kayak, float, or swim without the traffic of the main channel. Yet, you're very convenient to popping out to the big water. Come on down and try it out. I am down at the dock. You can see the lake side of the house is a wall of windows that lets the outside in. Down here at the dock, you'll be excited to find that they have a remote control for the boat lift, a gym remote. It is so easy to come and go to the lake. They also have a storage building, and you will see it opens up to the covered sitting area, which makes entertaining at the lake fun. We're going to walk back up to the house and go on the deck so you can see what the view is like from there. Follow me. I've walked outside from the den or the sunroom, which is just located off of the kitchen, onto the wonderful deck. What a cozy place to sit and overlook the lake, have your morning coffee, or in the evening, have an adult beverage. I'm on the lower level covered patio on the lakeside at 109 Hillview Drive. Check out this fabulous view and the dock below. It's a gentle slope lot with a stone paver walkway to access the dock.